Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply bending picture accent list layout in Microsoft Excel. So for that, you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this format tab, which is a picture tool, followed by picture layout, which is present in this picture style group. And just after clicking in the sixth row, third option that you have is bending picture accent list layout. Just after clicking on that, this layout will be applied on your picture. And here if you see, it's clearly written in bold letters text. When you click on that, then here you can enter the text, but you can't add more pictures and more text by here. So for that, you have to click on this arrow. When you click on that, then this box appear where you can enter the text from here also. And after entering the text, if you press enter, then more pictures will be added in the same layout. Similarly, if you press backspace, then the picture including that text will be deleted. I will close this. And if you want to edit this text, then you select it and use this font group to edit the text, or you can use this Smart Art tool format followed by word art style to edit the text. Now you can edit this picture also by selecting it and using this picture tool format followed by picture effect or picture border. Now you can edit this layout also by selecting it and using the Smart Art Tools design, where you can change the color or you can change the layouts also. So hope you like this video guys. That's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.